Abu Tamim and Imam Bahaki narrated from Hadrat Hassan bin Thabit that he said, I was 7 or 8 years old child, can remember everything which I had seen. I heard and saw in the morning a Jew was crying on a high castle. He said, O group of Jews, all the Jews gathered around him. I was listening. The people asked him, what is the matter with you? Has death befallen you? He said, special star has appeared this night. This appearance refers to the information that the Prophet ﷺ has born tonight. Ibn Sa'd narrated from Hadrat Ibn Abbas that he said, the Jews of Banu Qurayza, Fadak and Khaybar knew the attributes of the Holy Prophet ﷺ before the revelation of Holy Prophet ﷺ. They also knew that the Prophet ﷺ would migrate to Medina. When the Prophet ﷺ was born, the Jewish scholars said, that night Ahmad ﷺ has born and his star has risen. Abu Naim and Ibn Asakar narrated from Shuaib ibn Shuaib that there be a monk. The people of Syria used to go to seek knowledge. He is called Aik, at the place of Marul Dahran. The Almighty Allah had given him a lot of knowledge. He lived in his synagogue. He would enter Makkah and tell people, soon you will have a child. The Arabs adopted their religion. He will rule the world. The time of his reappearance is near. Who found and followed him would get peace. Would oppose him would make a mistake. God, I did not leave the land of peace and prosperity and did not come to this land of dryness and fear. Because of him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Every child born in Makkah would ask about him and say, the child has not been born yet. When the morning of the night in which the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, Hadrat Abdul Muttalib came to Is and called him. He asked, who are you? He said, I am Abdul Muttalib. When he saw the child, he said, you are the grandfather of this blessed child. He will be sent on Monday. The star of the Prophet has risen tonight. The sign of this is that he will be in pain tonight. The pain will remain for 3 days. Then he will get health protecting him. He will face grudge and jealousy be done to anyone else as much as it will be done to him. Hadrat Abdul Muttalib, how happy will he be? Even he will not live to be 70 years old. He will die in the odd year in the 60s. He will die at the age of 61 or 63.